Right, I'm going to describe the problem we solve in terms of the what, how, why. I love the Simon Sinek model. I'm a big proponent of what he does. So what we do is we test and validate global communications. So toll-free numbers down into IVRs, speech, DTMF, make sure they're working for multinationals. How we do it is we've built an amazing app, and Satish's team have done a groundbreaking app. And Mark has built this global coverage that allows us to do it in 100+ countries. But why we do it is ultimately our customers. So you take your MasterCards, your Googles, your Pfizers and Visas and so on. These customers can't see outside their own corporate network, okay? So they rely on the end user to tell them when there's issues, and that's not a good thing. So as a result, you're going to get churn. Okay, and according to Accenture, the switching economy, it's over $1 trillion. People don't complain, they switch. So why we do what we do is to help our customers, those multinationals, basically uncover blind spots, get benchmarks in terms of performance globally, and ultimately prevent churn due to poor delivery of technical services and unknown downtime costs. So it's a huge value in this competitive world that we work in. And as each generation moves into the key decision-making roles, churn and switching becomes more prevalent because consumers of everything nowadays have higher expectations. So it's important that our end customers can provide greater and more stable communications and make sure it works. But ultimately, we ensure the phone lines ring, that the voice bots talk back when they're being engaged, and ultimately if there's any issues, get a real-time alert globally. So it's invaluable in terms of helping our customers deliver services globally. I always use my kids in this because my kids are quite discerning and they like to challenge me a lot, you know. So when I explain to them that basically we've got a clever customer sitting in every country, and that customer is ringing into the voice bot or the IVR, making sure it works. And if it doesn't work, our clever customer is going to tell our corporate customer there's an issue and tell them where it is. And really that sums it up, you know, in terms of if my kids get it, 14 down to 7, and they're all able to go, yeah, that makes sense, happy days. I've explained it well, I think.